Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we're doing a very fun, I guess, YouTuber Secret Santa. So I'm on a art server with a bunch of other art YouTubers, and they announced like a really fun Secret Santa like gift exchange this year. So I jumped on that. I was like, it would be so fun to draw some little random art gift and send it off to some art friends somewhere in the world. And so I actually already got the assignment for who I'm drawing, but I wanted to look through their wish list with you today, and like we can then brainstorm what our final drawing is going to be. So I actually got Steph and Adam from Doodle Date. Check out their channel. I'll put a link here and in the card and everything. They are both wonderful, and I was very excited that I got them. So let's look through the little questionnaire together and see kind of what we can draw for them today. Okay, so we got a couple different things like favorite color. We got Steph's favorite color is red, yellow, and blue. Adam likes blue and yellow, and poor guy, he's colorblind. So okay, blue and yellow is what he can see. Cool. And then what's your favorite way to unwind? Steph likes to read a book. Adam likes to wind down and play like video games or make some digital music. And they love spending time with their guinea pigs. Okay, gotta keep that in mind. Cute pets are always fun to add for like little Secret Santas. What unconventional animal do you wish you could have as a pet? Capybaras. Oh my gosh. I would love to draw some giant capybaras. Okay. It's going between guinea pigs and capybaras. We're going to have to figure that out as we keep going. I love this. Like they have like a different taste in books versus movies. I'm going to have to figure out a way to maybe incorporate the different things that they like, or I guess their reverse tastes of some of these things. I do like this one for the what inspires you to create. There's cute animals, fun life experience, postal stamps, and then the interesting poses and making pictures to tell stories I have stuck in my head. I'm thinking what might be interesting is if we made like a little scene, maybe with either the guinea pigs or like a capybara, like humanoid. I don't know. Like I could picture like a really cozy little, almost like living room. And I could make them both as like capybaras and Steph is like reading her book. Adam might be playing some video games. Maybe that would be a cute idea. I don't know. Yeah, so just looking through this list real quick, I'm kind of vibing with the idea of doing some type of cute scene, either with like the guinea pigs or the capybaras, and then just hitting a couple of these things that they like and incorporating them in little ways. So like if I made them both capybaras, Steph could be having a cup of tea and reading a book, and Adam could have his like fizzy drink with like playing video games. This is going to be a hard choice. There's a lot to go off of. Oh, and they both play Minecraft together too. So maybe we could do a, I forgot what it's called, but it's basically like the whole picture is on like a square plane, and maybe mimic like Minecraft shapes in this like living room type of setup with like capybaras. I don't know. You know, instead of just me like talking through a few things, let me actually get in there and start sketching some ideas, and like let's figure it out together, because I have some ideas, but I think I should sketch it out. So let's get over to sketching. All right, let's start our little holiday gift for Doodle Date. This was so fun, but also really challenging to do. So I knew like after I saw the little note about Minecraft, and I think I already talked about this earlier, but I wanted to do some type of isometric piece, both because like I wanted to challenge myself to something I don't usually do. And I thought it would be kind of cute. It's like a cute little square little scene. And I kind of broke the rules a little bit with the isometric thing, with having basically a plane of something facing directly forward. Because I thought about making like the fireplace more of like a square fireplace to match the isometric, but it didn't really fit in my brain. So I'm like, we're just going to try this flat plane one. So honestly, I really struggled with this when I started it. It's something very outside of my comfort zone, in terms of like, I'm not really great with backgrounds, I feel. And just also, I don't do isometric art. I've barely done any. This is like my, I don't know, second or third piece trying isometric stuff. So yeah, I was like, you know what's great for Secret Santa? Let's just challenge myself and do something totally outside my comfort zone. So for this little scene, like I said earlier, I wanted to incorporate some of the likes and passions for both Steph and Adam. So I have Adam sitting playing video games. in like a big cozy armchair, and then I'm going to have Steph sitting next to him with a book. And then I was like going to incorporate some of their favorite things like tea and like bubbly soda. And there was like a note about these really cute little cakes. I forgot what they're called, but they looked very scrumptious. One day when I make it out to England, I want to find whatever those are, because they just look good, but I have a feeling they're like a holiday staple situation. So I don't know. I guess we'll see if they're available. So yeah, I just wanted to make just a cozy little scene with them just enjoying like some time indoors with a little fireplace. I for sure wanted this one to be a little Christmassy themed. I went back and forth on if I wanted it to be like a fully Christmas scene or if I wanted it to be more of like a general thing that Steph and Adam could have up all year round. But I was like, no, I kind of want to try something for the season. I don't really draw a lot of seasonal art, and I thought it'd be really cute for this piece in particular. Oh, and then right here, I'm filling up the picture frames. I went and stalked their Instagram, and I got different pictures of their guinea pigs. So I put them in a bunch of different frames. I tried my best to recreate the ones that I found on Instagram. And then they're like little stick figures, but the other frame is 100% like one of their pictures on Instagram, but I made it like stick figures. So have fun finding which photo that is on their Instagram. But yeah, so that was kind of the idea with the general scene. I added some lights, and then getting into the color, that's where I also struggled. I started with them because I'm like, well, they're giant capybaras, so I need to like figure out, well, I didn't really need to figure anything out because they're giant capybaras. So I was like, I'll just add like the browns and the tans, and I did a little bit of the darker brown to match Adam's beard. I basically ticked off the easy things to color, like the snacks and the drinks and like the TV. And then from there, I tried to just color block in different colors to at least to get started. And then I would mess with them as I went, because I had no clue what background colors would work great together for this one. I was kind of just flying by the seat of my pants with this one. So I started with kind of like that deeper red background, and then I put in some different colors. And it's hard because I like did but didn't like this like tan situation that I had. It felt like clean and it worked well, but then at the same time it felt a little boring. So I was like, I want to, I don't know, make it a little more like cozy den situation. And I feel the tan was just like really not selling it. So while I was coloring in like the other just easy color block things, I was thinking about like, oh, I could do greens, I could do blues. There were so many different options, and I ended up landing on more of like a green blue later on, which I really liked. I think it worked out really well, and it really highlighted like the nice glow of the fire, and it helped the Steph and Adam kind of pop out from the background as well. I had a lot of fun doing the lighting for this one. About at this point, I was starting to feel more confident about it. Like I said, this was just a very outside my comfort zone piece. So I was kind of second guessing myself for a lot of it. Plus, it was also a gift. So I was like, I really want to make sure the gift looks good. So just comboing it with something I'm not comfortable with is bound to bring up a lot of indecisiveness. But right around here, when I was starting to like block in like the highlights and the colors and how cozy they were looking with those lights coming off of the fireplace and the TV screen, I was like finally jiving with it. I'm like, all right, I am getting really satisfied with this. I think it's turning out super cute. And so basically here at the end, it was just adding the rest of the highlights and shadows to the rest of the scene, adding some fun patterns here and there, and just getting stuck in with all of the final little bits and bobs to like bring this whole piece together. And there we have it. Here is our completed piece. I think it's so cute. I had a lot of fun with this one, even with the struggles. So I hope Steph and Adam like it. Their video should be posting soon, if not already posted. So make sure to go check out Doodle Date to see their reaction to this piece. I'm just so excited to see what they think, because I don't even know. While I'm recording this, I have no clue what they think of this piece. So yeah, I love them. They're really cute as giant capybaras, and this was a lot of fun. But let's go ahead and look at the gift I received from my Secret Santa. I got my big box from Goobish Goops. I'm so excited to check out what they sent me. Thank you so much in advance. I opened the box because I wasn't sure what it was, but I didn't look. As soon as I opened it and saw like Christmas stuff, I'm like, I gotta close it immediately. So we're gonna open it together. If I can make room on my desk, oh my God. Okay, so we're gonna do kind of I'll pull it out and show the camera, but look how cute. Got Nightmare Before Christmas bag. I wonder what's in it. Let's see. Aw, some dog treats and a card. Okay, so we got True Ranch collagen sticks. They knew I had doggies. And then some little Blue Buffalo Santa snacks. Thank you for thinking of my doggies. I appreciate it. And then to Katelyn from Rizzy. Thank you so much. Let me bust out the card and read it. Oh my God, they're doggies. It's perfect. Hi, I hope you enjoy this box of fun goods. I was very excited that I got your name because I knew it meant I had to opt out of my comfort zone and into the wonderful world of drawing monsters. There's a story that goes along with this, and it will all be explained in my video. I hope your Christmas is full of happy moments and tons of doggo kisses for sure. They always give so many good kisses. Also, congrats on being a full-time artist. Your work is truly so freaking good. Thank you so much. I've included some treats for your babies to pay them for their monster protecting services, of course. That will make sense later. Oh, I'm excited. Merry Christmas. P.S. My handwriting sucks. I know. No, it was totally fine. I got through it. Thank you. My handwriting is awful. Your handwriting looks amazing. So thank you. Okay, let's get to the big art piece, shall we? Okay. It comes in a big bag. Ooh, it's crazy. Huge art piece. Is it a box in a bag? It is a box in a bag. I'm gonna be very careful while opening this. I don't want to ruin it. Where are my scissors? Okay, let's see. Let's see what this is. Oh my God, you framed it? So fancy. Okay, I can't see it yet. Let's check it out. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. So Rizzy drew my 3 Shivas fighting a huge monster. Okay, now I cannot wait to see the video because like I want some background. I want some background on what this monster is and everything about it. Oh, it's so cool. I am so excited to see the final video. Thank you so much, Rizzy. This looks amazing. It was really fun to do this Secret Santa. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's like a big bat axolotl. Did you do a monster mash? Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I can't wait to see this. But thank you so much again. I'm really excited to see the final video. And yeah, I love that you drew my doggies. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. Make sure to go check out Goobish Goop's video of where they drew my gift, and then go check out Doodle Date's video where they react to getting my gift. I think I'll make a playlist of the other artists that participated in this. It might take me a couple days, but I'll post it in the community tab once I get everyone's videos into one big playlist. So anyway, thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, everybody.